access port. Then switch port security. I am going to enable port security on this port. You have to type this command. Right? Port security. It's like a power switch. You are powering on the port security. Then switch port security, question mark. You are only going to allow one MAC address to this port. That means if any person plugs a hub or another switch with 2-3 PCs, right, they cannot do that, right, because the port is secure and only one MAC address is allowed, maximum of one. Then switch port security violation. If somebody sends 2 MAC addresses, what do you do? 2 PCs, what do you do? The default mode is shutdown. If you don't want this shutdown, if you don't want to shut down, which I always recommend you to shut down the port. Why? If you shut down the port, the person who violated the policy, he has to call the administrator and say, hey, I mistakenly, did this and did this. So, hereafter I'm not going to do it. So and so, right? Then ඒ බයිලා කියන්නේ ABC එකම ගන්න. ඒක ඒ විදිහට enable කරලා. يعني අපි දුන්නොත් MAC address එකක් දීලා MAC address එක දුන්නොත් එහෙම ඒක ඊට පස්සේ කතා කරනවා. Switchboard port security violation, we can say restrict. This restrict means it's going to keep a log, but it doesn't shut down the port. The administrator will know that this person did the port security violation on this particular port at this time. But it is not going to shut down as soon as he removes the bad PC or removes that 2 PCs and plug his PC, which is supposed to plug it. It's going to resume the port. It's never going to be shut down. The protect. There's a mode called protect. Do not ever, never use this protect, because the reason is protect. What it does? It doesn't keep a log. The administrators, everybody needs a log. Otherwise, you wouldn't know that this particular person, he has done this violation at this time on this port. You don't know that. It just ignores whatever the attack. Right? So, what's my preference? Always shut down. Right? Then you can say switchboard port security, MAC address. If you want to hard code a MAC address, you can say, this is the one and only allowed MAC address on this port number. So this must be this PC's MAC address. On this particular port number, this is the one and only allowed MAC address. Actually, this should be this PC's MAC address, because this PC is plugged into this particular port number. Oh, maximum 1 then 1 में maximum 10 दूसरा ना 10 गहना 10 बड़ा गहना back person ही गहना shut down. But in a production network which has 3,500 PCs, the administrator, can he hard code all 3,500 MAC addresses? It's very difficult. What we could do is we can type sticky, get the sticky MAC address, get the MAC address whatever connected right now, which is very risky, but that's the reasonable solution, right? That's the reasonable solution. Get the MAC address which is attached for the moment. In this case, this port is connected to this PC, so it will get exactly this PC's MAC address. Once I'm going to use a sticky command, because I'm going to take a calculated risk. What is the risk? What happens if an intruder, a hacker, already plugged his PC on the particular port number? You are going to get and allow his PC. When one of your PCs plugged in to the switch port, it will be denied. Right? Hacker's PC is allowed. Sticky. Now we are done. Right? See, I haven't hard coded the manual MAC address because I didn't know this MAC address. I told the switch to get this MAC address. So type ipconfig/all or get MAC command to get the MAC address. We can see. So these are the port security verification commands. Show port security is the major one. but show port dash security. See, port security. This is the port security enable port, and if somebody violates the policy, go ahead and shut down the port. And security violation count is currently 0. Nobody has violated the policy. Right? Life is good. Current address count is 1 on the port, not more than 1, and maximum count also 1. If somebody violates it, it's gonna shut down the port. Right? And also, guys, this is the best command of this. Show port security interface fast Ethernet 0/. This is the best command. It shows port security is enabled on the particular port, and the port status is secure up for the moment. If somebody violates the port, it will go ahead and shut down the port, and the violated time frame, duration is 0 minutes, and the maximum MAC addresses for the time being is allowed only 1, and total MAC addresses allowed 1, and configured MAC addresses are, you haven't hard coded the MAC address to a switch. You can do that if you want. Using the MAC address command, you can hard code a MAC address to the switch. Sticky MAC addresses, for the time being, we only have 1 sticky MAC addresses. This MAC address is sticked, and what is the stick MAC address? This one. This MAC address must be UPC's MAC address. Check it if you want. Right? Security violation count is 0. Nobody has violated the policy, but I'm going to. Terminal monitor. So I should see the status messages. Right. Get MAC. Get space. There's no space. What's going on? Nothing here. Right. Okay. We'll violate the policy. Right? MAC address came, right? Is it the MAC address? A530? A530, yeah, that's the MAC address. And this is the VLAN number. Right? So we learned it. The switch has learned it. So now, what do I do? Let me go ahead. Plug. I'm not telling, right? The router, but I don't like to plug the router because router may have shut down or locked out. Router may be sleeping for the moment. If I plug the router, it may not shut down. Can somebody give a remove this cable? Can't you get a cable for me? Okay, 1, 2, 3, done. You know what? Interface fast, the administrator sees this. The interface fast is 0/1, change state to up. Right? Port security violation error detected on port number 0/1, putting the port into error disabled state. Port security violation occurred, caused by the MAC address, this one. Check that case MAC address, obviously this one, B631. B631 on ports number 0/1. This is MAC address. Right? What happens using the IP host command? You can say this particular PC is given to that person, and that person's name is this. If you have a mapping in your switch like that, you can identify who's the person. Very simple, right? So guys, light is not even blinking. Then how to power this on? We'll assume now you plug the PC, which we want to plug in to that port, which is PC2's PC2. Right? Port never came back. Port will never come back. පුළුවන් ඉන්ට්‍රූඩර් හරියක ගෙවුවාම දැන් වැඩ නැහැ. මුකුත් උන්නේ නැහැ වගේ හොඳට ඉන්න. එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Port will never come back. How do I power it on? මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ guys? No sir. How long do I have to wait?
30.
Huh? You'll never come up. So first, that's why even if that person leave, might not come. You have to shut down the port first. Shut it down. Then type no shutdown. Then it will come. No port keys. That's the port secret. Only in the VLAN